herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren Episode von Undertale. Wow! In der letzten Episode haben wir ja so einen komischen Dummy-Dingsbums da angegriffen gehabt. Aus Versehen natürlich. Und naja, dann hat sich herausgestellt, dass ein Geist drin war. Der ist angegriffen und wir haben keine Chance gehabt, um den zu vernichten. Bis so ein anderer Geist gekommen ist und den mit Säureregen beworfen hat. Kein Plan. Auf jeden Fall hat er gesagt, wir sollten ihm befolgen und genau das machen wir jetzt. Jawohl! Und zwar hat er gesagt, er wohnt da oben, also gehen wir zuerst da oben. Jawohl. Dann gehen wir halt. Was steht da? North Block Across East Hotland. Tammy Village. Okay. Snail, snail, long journey extends in front of you. Snail, snail, reach far and stretch beyond the horizons. Snail, snail. So snail left them by all. It's a snail. For some reason you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. No thanks. I've been long overdue a second house. This snail is counting dollar bills. Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Block Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. Nice. Und da, oh, Schneckereine. Do you want to play a game? It's called Fuddler Snail. Snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10G to play. Okay, press Z repeatedly to encourage. Ah, okay, Z. Ready? Hey! Really? Ach, du Wichser. Mhm. Ja, ja, ist gut. Also, der ist sehr langsam. Da kann man gar... Die Schnecke ist viel zu langsam, die kann gar nicht gewinnen. Fang wieder an rennen. Das kann man gar nicht gewinnen. Na schön. Du kleiner Wichser. Ah ja. Einmal ein lustiges Minigame, wo nichts bringt. Wodurch geht's denn da? Aha. It's locked. Oh, hey, you followed me into my house? Make yourself at home. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Attempt to bite into a ghost sandwich. You face right through it. Oh, never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Fix. Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess. Alles klar, Diggi. Was ist das? What the fuck? Wie lang funktioniert das echt? Weißt du was, ich mach da mal einen Schnitt und schau mal, wie lang das gegangen ist. Falls es überhaupt aufhört. Okay. Okay. Also ich habe jetzt 5 Minuten gewartet und es ist nichts passiert. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Jawohl. 5 Minuten, nichts passiert. Schön. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. This CD is labeled Spook Tunes. Played. Okay. This CD is labeled Spook Wave. Played. Also eigentlich genau das gleiche. Nur als Wave. Okay. Holiday Music. Played. Okay, cool. Schreibt mal in die Kommentare, ob ihr es erkannt habt. The computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing forum. Okay. Oh, this one? Once you learn the lyrics, it's hard not to sing along. Ja, ist jetzt gut. Oh Gott. Dann nehme ich lieber das da. Wenn es played. Dann nehme ich lieber das da. Du, 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 du. Oh. What the heck is the music? I don't know, dude, but it's spooking me out. This is worse than Sharon. No way, Sharon is way less scary. If you're so scared, why do you keep winking? These whole wings of fear. Forget it. This beat is too filthy. Whoosh, wait, don't leave me. This is creepy music, my punishment for being creepy. Please stop. I'll never creep again. Ah! Geil. Oh. I do. What? 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 It's a living. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Doesn't seem to like anyone's home. Richtig gut. Gut, dann Fall ist da niemand daheim. Was ist denn da durch? Oh, hallo Ente. This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer. Easy. Ich habe das Gefühl, dass die mich ertränkt. Okay. Kann ich noch nicht über. Get right. Jawohl. Alles klar. Gibt es denn da noch irgendetwas zum Entdecken oder? Jawohl, hast du doch gewusst. Da geht es vermutlich weiter. What? Der I've got some neat junk for sale. Crab. Apple. CT. What? Looks like a crab. Speed up in battle. Armor 5. Minus 2. Hä? Okay. Nein, ich will nichts sell. Try to get rid of my junk, not get more of it. Oh, I have value of want to sell stuff. The Timmy Village is the best bet. Where it is? I don't remember. I've been around maybe too long. Starting industry is sure as easy when you've lived through so much of it yourself. Eh? You don't know what this is? What are they teaching you kids in school nowadays? That's the Delta Rune, the emblem of our kingdom, the kingdom of monsters. Wahaha, great name, huh? It's as I always say, our King Fluffy Buns can't name for beans. Emblem's meaning. That emblem predates written history. The original meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that the triangles symbolizes monsters below and the winged circles above symbolizes something else. Wow. Most people say it's the angel from prophecy, the king. King Fluffy Buns? He's a friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. Eh? Why do I call Dreamer Fluffy Buns? Oh, that's a great history. I don't remember it. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I'll have remembered by then. About Undyne. Undyne? Yeah, she's a local hero about it. Through grit and determination alone, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. I'll watch you back, kid, and buy some items. It might just save your hide. Okay. Ja, bla bla bla. Okay, das ist cool. Use the box. Yes. Ice cream. Okay. Dann gehen wir mal da runter. Mal schauen, was da unten ist. Nix. Das ist schön. Lieber nicht das Monster. Hurt, beaten and fearful for our lives, we surrendered the humans. 7 of their greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. There's only one way to resolve this spell. If a huge power equivalent to 7 human souls attacks the barrier, it will be destroyed. But this cursed place is no entrance exits. There's no way a human could come here. We will remain trapped down here forever. Ah, deswegen wollen mich alle umbringen. Cool, das ist eine coole Idee. Hey! Special enemy Tammy appears here. Okay. One hit KO. Aha, okay. The fuck, man. Ich hab voll behindert gemacht. Also, nein, es ist geil gemacht, aber. Okay. Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. Okay. Ich hab gewusst, dass ich dort nicht durch kann, aber ich hab gedacht, vielleicht kann ich mit dem Kristall irgendetwas machen. So. Ah, Mann! Mods mal, okay. Slime Sounds. Jetzt war eine Corner. Das ist nicht in die Mitte in dem Fall. Komm nicht ganz draus, aber okay. Ist okay. Ich habe ihn weggefunden. Oh. Behind you. Die Fotze wieder. Jawohl. Seven human souls. The power of 7 human souls. Our King Asgard Dreemor will become a god. With that power, Asgard can finally shatter the barrier. Will finally take the surface back from humanity and give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Aha. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. And then I'll help you fight. Yo! You did it! Anna is right in front of you. You've got the front row seats to her fight. Ich bin der Kampf. Wait. Who's she fighting? Hey! You aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Was ist gerade passiert? Okay. Ich komme jetzt gerade auch nicht raus, aber... Ah, da kann ich weiter. You hear a passing conversation. If I say my wish, you promise you won't laugh at me? Of course I won't laugh. Yeah. Someday I'd like to climb this mountain we're all buried under. Standing under the sky, looking at the world all around, that's my wish. Oh. Hey, you said you wouldn't laugh at it. Sorry, it's just funny. That's my wish too. Oh. However, there's a prophecy. The angel, the one who's seen the surface. They will return and the underground will go empty. Yay! Yo! Ja. Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I want to ask you something. Man, I've never had to ask anyone this before. Yo, you're human, right? Haha. Man, I knew it. Well, I know it now. I mean, Undyne told me, stay away from that human. So, like, I guess that makes us enemies or something. But I kinda stink at that. Haha. Yo, say something mean so I can hate you, please. No. Yo, what? So I have to do it? Here goes nothing. Yo, I hate your guts. Man, I'm such a turd. I'm gonna go home now. Ich beleidig die doch nicht, ist irgendwie. Yo, wait, help! I tripped! Yo, yo, dude, if you wanna hurt my friend, you're gonna have to get through me first. Okay. Alles klar. She's gone. You really saved my skin. Guess being enemies was just a nice thought. Haha. Well, just have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I mean, my parents are very sick about me. Du bist cool. Later, dude. Du bist cool. Was zum... Wo bin ich jetzt? Alter, was zum... Seven human souls and King Oscar will become a god. 6. That's how many we have collected thus far. Understand? Through your 7th and final soul, this world will be transformed. First, however, as is customary for those who make this far, I shall tell you the tragic tale of our people. Ah, that started long ago. What's to see? Look at it. Danke! Look. Papyrus didn't come to his meeting today. Say what you want about him. He's weird, he's naive, he's self-absorbed. But Papyrus has never missed a meeting. And no matter what time you call him on the phone, night, day, afternoon, morning, he always answers within the first 2 rings. But now he's gone. And his brother isn't around either. What did you do to him? What did you do to him? Papyrus, who I have trained every day, even thought I know he's too goofy to ever hurt anyone. Go ahead, prepare however you want. But when you step forward, I will kill you. Dann würde ich sagen, dann speichere ich zuerst mal. When he's howling, you're filled with determination. Bam! That's it then. No more running away. Here I come. On guard. Undyne attacked. God, boss fight. As long as you're green, you can't escape unless you learn to face danger head on. You won't last a second against me. Hä? And then towers. Okay. Then how about this? Ah, verdammt. 4 years we've streamed this. Like this. Ah! Das ist ure Loot. Nein, das ist Lieslig. Ay caramba. And Nine thinks of her friends and pounds the ground with her fist. And now Sunland is just witching our reach. Ah! Mann! And Nine flashes a meaningless blubber. I won't let you snatch it away from us. Aha. Bam. Ah, fuck. Bin schnell. Ah, enough warming up. Was? Hey! Hey, das ist Cheating. Heh, you're tough. Alter Mann, dich gemein. Oh nein, du hast a finger across your neck. No human has ever made it past the score. Alter! Okay, das ist gerade richtig gemein gewesen. Bap, bap. Honestly, killing him now is an act of mercy. Komm durcheinander. What the hell are humans made out of? Okay, bap, bap. Das stimmt. Alter! Ah, oh mein Gott. Right now! Whatever rushes around you. Right now! Alter! Mann! Oh, das ist gemein. Okay, einmal treffen ist okay. Ich kann dich jetzt, never escape from me. Doch, mache ich jetzt gerade. Woo! Ja! Alter. Grrr. You were stronger than I thought. So then, this is where it ends. Das ist schon knapp mit CHP. No. No! I won't die! Alphys, Asker, Papyrus! Everyone is counting on me to protect them! Gah! Human! In the name of everyone home dreams, I will defeat you. Come on, is it all you've got? Aha! Alter, komm schon. Und vergiss es. Junge, dumm. Had enough yet? Komm, du magst schon gar nicht mehr. I won't give up. Ist ja schon irgendwie herzig. Ha, ha. Alphys. This is what I was afraid of. This is why I never told you. No. No! Not yet! I won't die! Gah! I won't die! I won't die! I won't die! I won't die. Okay. Kann ich speichern? Jawohl. So, meine lieben Freunde. Wir haben das lästige Biest endlich umgebracht. Also Freunde, für die nächste Folge. Jawohl! Nächste Folge wieder lustig. Jetzt sehen wir zwar die Gegner nicht mehr, aber naja, es wird bestimmt wieder gut. Also, ich würde sagen, das war es für heute. Ich freue mich aufs nächste Mal, meine lieben Freunde. Jawohl! Also, nicht zu wild. Und wie immer, liken, kommentieren, teilen, favorisieren, was auch immer. Und ja, wenn es euch gefallen hat, meldet euch. Wenn nicht, meldet euch, was ich besser machen kann. Ja, also, ich wünsche euch einen schönen Abend. Ciao.